Yo, Smalls, turn up on them, bruh.
Todd, can you play that again?
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Deja Janae EXO, and I'm back with another video. So today I am showing you guys how I got this blue color. It's like an ombre effect type thing. You can't really see it on this camera right now, but I'll put a picture somewhere in this thing right here so you can see how it's really looking or whatever. But I'm just showing y'all how I got this color and how I put these crimps in here. If you guys want to see how I actually installed it and like did the ponytail or whatnot, make sure you comment down below and I got y'all for real. But yeah, before this video even gets started, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and join the fam. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Deja Janae EXO and go show my last picture some love. Because why not? Like, I mean, why not? But yeah, so if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, just keep on watching. So y'all, this is what the hair is looking like before I even dyed it. I obviously made this wig already. This is what the parting looks like. So I'm about to go ahead and get these roots together and I will be right back. So the first thing I'm doing is taking this color Tango by Wella in the color 7B in a 2020 volume developer, and I'm just putting this all on the lace. And no, it does not mess up the lace or anything like that. It just helps get the roots really dark, I guess. But you'll see in a later clip that it did not mess my lace up at all. And then I'm starting with the bundles first because I don't want to, like, if I wanted to put the hair in a ponytail like I did, you don't want the lace, the closure to be brown, but then the bundles start at blue. So I just got a few tracks closest to the closure and made those brown, if that makes sense. But now I'm just doing the same thing to the closure, and I did it about like an inch to maybe an inch and a half, half inch to an inch and a half, I don't know. But you can see about how much I did, and I just combed it out to make sure it wasn't any harsh lines, and I just did the same thing to the remainder of the closure.
If not made it ho, gon' do the things that only I can do. Try to find a new, and you gon' be screwed. If not made it ho, if not made it ho, I got all the juice, I got all the juice. Tell me who gon' do it like I do. Try to find a new, and you gon' be screwed. If not made it ho, if not made it ho. My friends all say I'm crazy, baby, maybe I am psycho.
So these are the three Adore colors that I use, and also when I pour each one into their own bowl, I did add a bit of conditioner in it just to make the color a little bit lighter. So right now I'm putting on the color Jade, and I'm just putting this on the roots of the bundles because I wanted the root of the bundle to be the lightest and then it get darker as we go down.
But I don't really care, you gon' have to deal with it. Straight up, I told you what you signed up for. I told you what's in store. I told you I'm a handful. I pop off at random. You say you could handle it, baby, can you? Cause you like my vibe, I'm just your type. You get excited, and I know you hate to fight, you don't like it. Yeah, it's been a crazy ride, but you're still here. Ain't going nowhere. Cause if not made it ho, if not made it ho, gon' do the things that only I can do. Try to find a new, and you gon' be screwed. If not made it ho, if not made it ho, I got all the juice, I got all the juice. Tell me who gon' do it like I do. Try to find a new, and you gon' be screwed. If not made it ho, if not made it ho, if not made it ho, if not made it ho.
So now I'm adding on the baby blue color. I'm just putting it on the middle part of the bundle, and I'm going to use my two fingers to kind of mesh the colors together. You want to make sure that you do this so that it's not a harsh line between the two colors. Like, you don't want to be able to tell exactly where you put that color on. So you want to make sure that you just use your fingers and blend those two colors together.
Baby, where you going? Thought I told you it ain't over. You can be mad in the moment, still expect you to come over. When I tell you that I miss you or that I just wanna hug you, cause you know that I still love you. You know that I still love you. And yeah, I got an attitude, but baby, who doesn't? I can tell you that I'm out of here. You know that I'm bluffing. So what you were upset for a while, you bugging, cause you know that it ain't nothing. You know that it ain't nothing. I told you what you signed up for. I told you what's in store. off at random. You say you good.
Alright y'all, so I'm just adding the last color right now, and as you can see, it was the darker blue of the two, which is why I put it on the ends, because like I said, I wanted it to go from like a light to a darker color. So I'm just putting this color on, and I'm making sure I'm using the same method with my fingers by blending the colors together, because you do not, I repeat, do not want a harsh line. Like, nobody wants to see your hair and you can see exactly where each color was applied. So just make sure you're blending your colors together, and after that you're just gonna let it sit and then wash it out.
I got all the jokes. Tell me who gon' do it like I do. Try to find a new, and you gon' be screwed. If not me, then who? If not me, then who? My friends all say I'm crazy, baby, maybe I am psycho. Quite frankly, I'm amazing, you know this, and I know I'm an emotional roller coaster. Yeah, I got highs and lows, but I'm really down for sure. You're the only one that I want. I might throw a fit, but don't feel, cause I'm still committed. Baby, we the ish, we be lit, and I never quit it. Yeah, I'ma be in my feelings, but I don't really care. You gon' have to deal with it. Straight up, told you what you signed up for. I told you what's in store. I told you I'm a handful. I pop off at random. You say you could handle it, baby, can you? Cause you like my vibe, I'm just your type. You get excited, and I know you hate to fight, you don't like it. Yeah, it's been a crazy ride, but you still here. Ain't going nowhere. Cause if not me, then who? If not me, then who gon' do the things that only I can do? Try to find a new, and you gon' be screwed. If not me, then who? If not me, then who? I got all the juice. I got all the juice. Tell me who gon' do it like I do. Try to find a new, and you gon' be screwed. If not me, then who? If not me, then who? If not me, then who? If not me, then who gon' do the things that only I can do? Try to find a new, and you gon' be screwed. If not me, then who? If not me, then who? Baby, where you going? Thought I told you it ain't over. You can be mad in the moment, still expect you to come over. When I tell you that I miss you, or that I just wanna hug you, cause you know that I still love you. You know that I still love you. And yeah, I got an attitude, but baby, who doesn't? I can tell you that I'm out of here. You know that I'm bluffing, so what you upset for? Why you bugging? Cause you know that it ain't nothing. You know that it ain't nothing. I told you what you signed up for. I told you what's in store. I told you I'm a handful. I pop off at random. You say you could handle it, baby, can you? Cause you like my vibe, I'm just your type. You get excited, and I know you hate to fight, you don't like it. Yeah, it's been a crazy ride, but you still here. Ain't going nowhere. Cause if not me, then who? If not me, then who gon' do the things that only I can do? Try to find a new, and you gon' be screwed. If not me, then who? If not me, then who? I got all the juice. I got all the juice. Tell me who gon' do it like I do. Try to find a new, and you gon' be screwed. If not me, then who? If not me, then who? My friends all say I'm crazy, baby, maybe I am psycho. Quite frankly, I'm amazing, you know this, and I know I'm an emotional roller coaster, yeah.
Alright, so this is how the hair, oh, excuse my voice. This is how the hair looked after I washed it and let it air dry. I did not blow dry it straight. I'm blow drying it now, obviously, but that was the natural wave it was after I let it air dry. And I was kind of like confused because this is straight hair, but it literally curled like body wave when I washed it. But I mean, I guess that's not such a bad thing, because if I wanted to wear it in a natural state, it would be a pretty light wave or whatever. But I just wanted to throw that out there.
Cause you like my vibe, I'm just your type. You get excited, and I know you hate to fight, you don't like it. Yeah, it's been a crazy ride, but you're still here. Ain't going nowhere. Cause if not me, then who? If not me, then who gon' do the things that only I can do? Try to find a new, I got all the juice. I got all the juice. Tell me who gon' do it like I do. Try to find a new, and you gon' be screwed. If not me, then who? If not me, then who? If not me, then who? If not me, then who gon' do the things that only I can do? Try to find a new, and you gon' be screwed. If not me, then who? If not me, then who? Baby, where you going? Thought I told you it ain't over. You can be mad in the moment, still expect you to come over. When I tell you that I miss you or that I just wanna hug you, cause you know that I still love you. You know that I still love you. And yeah, I got an attitude, but baby, who doesn't? I can tell you that I'm out of here. You know that I'm bluffing, so what you were upset for?
So here I'm just hot combing the hairs back so I can see the hairline, if it needs to be plugged, if it needs the part to be widened or anything like that. So I do this anytime I make a wig. I just always make sure I can see the hairline really good so I can see what needs to be done.
Cause you like my vibe, I'm just your type, you get excited. And I know you hate to fight, you don't like it. Yeah, it's been a crazy ride, but you still here, ain't going nowhere. Cause if not me, then who? If not me, then who gon' do the things that only I can do? Try to find a new.
Okay, so I'm taking my bed head crimping iron and it's on the temperature 350. Anything higher may potentially burn the hair. I had it on 400 at first, but it was kind of turning the jade greenish color to a like a yellowish color. So I knew that was too high, so I cut it down to 350 and it was just right. Also, I was spraying each section with hairspray just so that the crimps could stay longer and last longer. So I did that on each section and I just crimped my whole head.
I might throw a fit, but don't feel, cause I'm still committed. Baby, we the is, we be lit, and I never quit it. Yeah, I'ma be in my feelings, but I don't really care. You gon' have to deal with it. Straight up, FAQs. Told you what you signed up for. I told you what's in store. I told you I'm a handful. I pop off at random. You say you could handle it, baby, can you? Cause you like my vibe, I'm just your type, you get excited. And I know you hate to fight, you don't like it. Yeah, it's been a crazy ride, but you still here, ain't going nowhere. Cause if not me, then who? If not me, then who gon' do the things that only I can do? Try to find a new, and you gon' be screwed. If not me, then who? If not me, then who? I got all the juice. I got all the juice. Tell me who gon' do it like I do. Try to find a new, and you gon' be screwed. If not me, then who? If not me, then who? If not me, then who? If not me, then who gon' do the things that only I can do? Try to find a new.
So that about wraps this video up. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys understood everything I did. If you have any questions, don't be hesitant to comment them down below and I will surely answer those for you. I really like this look. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below. What y'all think? Y'all think it's cute? Y'all don't like it? I don't know. I want to hear y'all opinion. What y'all thinking about this? This is something different. Like, this is something, I don't think I've ever done a wig this bright besides that pink wig that I did for my birthday. But I'm really liking it. I'm liking it. It suits me very well. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you tell your friends, your mama, your auntie, your brother, your sister to come subscribe to the family and show some love. I will really appreciate it. But that about wraps this video up. So I will see y'all in my next video. So until next time, peace.